Good morning, good morning. I hope you are doing great. It's Friday, so let's go straight to our quick analysis. Yesterday it was Thanksgiving, and today I think the market won't be moving that much because it's going to be a long weekend, especially on the market. Yeah, the market will move here and there, but not really that much. So just know that we don't really expect much from the market. So we can close this and start to go straight to our analysis and see what's really happening. I will start with gold. And you can see that, sorry, we did smash gold. I did smash gold actually yesterday. So yeah, before I go there, let me show you this. I actually show this on the indicator. So it was just straightforward. But now it seems like we're gonna get a different signal there. So you can see that this was a clean buy, very simple, straightforward buy. So we took a buy there, even sent this in the group, so you can see the market went even higher. Just look at this sell there. So for those who want this system, it's $149. And if you are part of the team, if maybe you've been part of our signal group, this is the $110 is actually for those who were members or who are still the members, right? So yeah, you can throw everything there. I think you can see here on dollar on German 30, everything just straightforward. So it's easy. Just look at Nasdaq. I also saw at Nasdaq after that nice reversal yesterday. Just look this nice buy there. If you took that buy, obviously you were going to smash. Just look at this. You see, this was a proper signals that if maybe you had the system, you were just going to eat very nice. But by the way, yeah, let's go straight to the analysis and see. It's just quick analysis. So let's see what's really happening on gold. We can see that the market actually, if we check nicely, we were coming from this aggressive bullish move. Just look at this. The market was coming from this and the market reversed a little bit. Now it seems like the market will be continuing with this nice bullish structure. But I think it's because we are actually still experiencing tensions in in Russia and Ukraine, and it seems like things are getting worse every second, and that is not really good. You see. So, but anyways, when we go on the markets, I think gold also shows us that we saw it go selling off, which is it was aggressive, and we wanted that. But we reached this level, we start to see that no, this makes sense that this is going to be a nice support area. So from this area, we had a nice buy pending order, which actually gave us a very nice profit. So my target was to reach at this point, this area, you can see this previous area, it was something there, and the market actually broke out there, and that was very great because now I'm just waiting for a nice retest before we see a nice push, or maybe the market might even go even lower. That is possible. The market might create a structure like that, continuing to the upside. Don't look at this too much because this was an aggressive move. So sometimes the market won't just recover straight up like what happened before. The market might go or might reverse slower, but at the end of the day, the market will reach where we were supposed to reach, or this previous high that we had before. I hope that makes sense. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button. So on US30, as I said, the market is not really moving that much, so we don't really expect much. So since yesterday, or let's say day before that, or let's say Wednesday, the market has been playing around the same level. But what we have this proper structure. You can see on top there. So the market is just moving. Oh, this okay. Something like that. You see that? So this is a proper uptrend structure. So which means we expect the market to continue going up. But at the moment, the market reached our ceiling or the resistant area. So it's up to the market to break out of that structure, or maybe the market will respect that and start to go a little bit lower before we see another push. I hope that makes sense. So at the moment, the best thing that we can do is just to wait and see. Wait, just observe and see what's really happening, because we have two structures. The market can still respect this area and go higher, or maybe the market has no choice but to go even lower before we see a nice push. So at the moment, we can say we are at the highest level. If the market doesn't really break here, we will be expecting to see those sell moves. But at the moment, we can say, let's just relax and see. Let's just relax and see, you see. So let me see this. Actually, I think I did not really show you. I want to see what is the indicator saying on US30. Let's see on US30. Oh, it is still telling people to buy here. There is a smaller buy. Then there is a yellow cross there to tell them to get out. So it showed you that if maybe you had the system to get out, because maybe we might have a proper sell coming. So that's good. That's good. Okay. Not really that much. But if you check from these areas, yeah, people were eating this. This is nice. And for those who don't know, you can plug everything as long as any pair that it's actually on MetaTrader 4, whether it's Bitcoin, whether it's indices like Nasdaq, US30, maybe you go to oil or whatever, you will get everything that you want. So you can see here, it was a smaller buy. Then it seems like it's trying to tell you to get out if maybe you were looking at the indicator. But on my side, I wasn't going to do anything here. It's already a little bit late. I was just going to wait for the market to sell or maybe to break that level. So at the moment, we can see that we reached that resistance. So we don't really have to rush. We don't really have to rush anything. So now we are on Nasdaq 100. What's really happening on Nasdaq 100? So we can see that, yeah, the market is still on that nice uptrend structure. The market is still uptrending. We see that. So we've been going up like that. So if we go closer, we just want to see what was happening. Where can we take those buys and sells and stuff like that? So I marked this area, but it was easy for me here because on the system, let me check on the system. It's good when you have that second mind that can actually help you to conclude and say, okay, this is a buy, or to confirm. Just look at this. This was a proper buy. There, you see that. So let's go on the trading view. You go on the trading view, and that buy was here. So if you had the system, it's obvious you were just going to smash it. You see that? So this is a proper structure. You can see that we have these areas that we can connect. I think if you try to connect that, it's quite straightforward. So at the moment, maybe the market might reverse, whatever, but at the end of the day, we are still on that uptrend. But wait for the market to be at the little bit lowest area before you jump in. But at the moment, as we repeat, there was, let's say, Thanksgiving, maybe even today, but it was actually yesterday, so it's still like they're still enjoying that. So today, don't expect much. So yeah, we will be waiting for Monday. Then I think maybe from Monday, the market will have to give us something, but I think we will see a continuation of that bullish move. If not, it means the market will have to break this level to go towards the stronger support that we have at the lowest areas. But at the moment, I think it's way much better for us just to relax and stay out of the market. So anyways, for those who wants to be, if you want to join and get our system, you can scan that QR code or check my description, WhatsApp me, and then you can get the system. It's easy to get the system. Just talk to me. So thank you very much. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. I will see you on the next one. Bye.